Hey you guys, it's Shundara. What is up and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe to the channel, make sure you thumbs up this video, and make sure you're following me on all my social media sites. And in today's video, we will be trying Paulas Choice's 2% BHA liquid exfoliant. 4 ounces of this liquid exfoliant will run you $29.50. I've seen it, the cheapest I've seen it for is about like $22, and that's when there's a sale. And you can also get a smaller size of this. I don't know if they sell the smaller sizes anymore, but when I got this about 6 months ago, they do sell the smaller sizes. Now I do want to say this, what is going on with the Paulas Choice commercials? I don't see them as much as I used to. As soon as the corona hit, it's like Paulas Choice said, well, let's just stop these commercials. We're not wasting our ad money. Let's head over to Instagram. So I don't know what's going on with the Paulas Choice commercials. I would say I would see one every YouTube video I watch. Like, let's say a YouTube video is like 10 minutes and they have about like 20 ads in the YouTube video. See the same Paulas Choice commercial, all 20 ads. I kind of miss the Paulas Choice commercial, but I think they need a new commercial and I need to be in the commercial, but that's just, you know, me just, you know, shout me out. Paulas Choice, call me. With that being said, you guys, let's go ahead and we're gonna try to swatch this product. It's just a liquid, nothing special. Do you guys see? Hold on, let me focus. There we go. So that's the liquid. What do you guys think? It's a very oily texture, very, you know, oil and water. If oil and water mixed, I would say. What do you guys think? I don't know why I did this. You know what? Let's just roll on. So I used to make nail polish, and this is what it smells like. Maybe like a nail polish remover, but it's really giving me nail polish tease. Normally when I use it, it smells like a really bad perm, but I'm getting like nail polish tease now, so I don't know what's going on. Maybe the scent is settled down. I sort of like to shake it up because I feel like I want all the ingredients to combine, even though they tell you not to shake it up. That's just what I like to do. And then I just like to put it on a cotton pad and saturate it really well. Now sometimes I will put it in my hand and pat it on my face, but I kind of want to do this cute for you guys, so I'm not going to do that. But that's normally what I do. I shake it up, put it in my hand, and then pat it on my face. But since this is like a really cute demo, I'm doing a cotton pad for you guys, and I just go over my face really well. You guys see how I slather myself in this stuff? I really love to. I'm gonna do another one, so don't judge me. It's not that bad. So it's a little dirty. It's not that bad. I clean my face. Y'all know I am obsessed with cleansing. I clean my face. I promise you I do. So this is the second one. I'm coming off real clean behind my neck. I bet. Oh my God, it's in my mouth. It's gross. Oh my God, don't ever get this in your mouth. It tastes like a sweet chemical. Like gross. But these are the 2 I used. I'm not that dirty. I'm shocked. I'm gonna go ahead and do a close-up so you guys can see. So this is what my skin looks like after the Paulas Choice BHA skin perfecting liquid exfoliant. It's a long title. It's all over the place. It's Paulas Choice skin perfecting 2% BHA liquid exfoliant salicylic acid. It's a long title. This is what my skin looks like. Here's my cheek. Here is my other cheek. Here's my chin. And here is my forehead. So I'm just gonna go ahead and let the product dry down, and then we'll see what it looks like after 20 minutes. We'll see. Hey you guys, it's been 20 minutes. I know you think this is water, but it's actually the Paulas Choice BHA liquid. This is what it looks like. With that being said, here's my cheek. Here's my other cheek. Here's my chin. And here is my forehead. What do you guys think? And it's a little humid here lately, so you know it's not drying down as quick as it normally does. The humidity here is at like 22%. So you know that's a lot for us here in Arizona. I eat it up. People be like, oh, it's muggy, but me, bring on the humidity. With that being said, let me look in the mirror. let's talk about it. I will say this, I've had this product, I would say, for about 6 months now, and it's actually one of my favorite salicylic acids to go to when I have Mila. I'm having a breakout around here. Y'all know I get like this weird breakout that looks like, it just looks weird. It's not a pimple, you can't pop it, it just sits there. It's like hormonal acne, and it just sits like right in this area of my face, like right here, and it just sits there. It won't pop, it won't do anything, and if I try to pop it, I'll get an acne scar, and what I'll have to do is like use Choice to get rid of the acne scar, because this product does sloth away dead skin cells so nicely for me personally. Every time I have one of those hormonal acne bumps, like right here, and it only happens when I'm stressed, I'll use Choice, and I'll try to pop it. I just have an obsession with popping them when they come, and they don't pop, and every time I just sit there and pop and it won't pop, I'll get an acne scar, like I said, and I'll use this, and in about a week or 2 weeks my acne scar is gone. I also enjoy this product when I have Mila, so every now and then, like right around here, it's always this side of my face that's always jacked up. Every time stress come, every time I get Mila, it's this side of my face. This side of my face always looks normal, but this side is like my issue every time a problem occurs. Anyways, I'll get Mila on this side of my face around my cheek area, and I'll use Choice product to help with my Mila. It's just one of those products I enjoy for when I'm having a breakout, when I'm having hormonal acne. Mila, it really helps with all that. It's like a miracle worker for me personally, and I really enjoy this product. I will say, when I first did use this product, I had to put it up for 2 months because it did make my skin purge. I don't know what was going on or why it happened. I think for me personally, it probably did happen because I was using different type of skincare, and I noticed that certain products, this exfoliant will make me break out. So normally what I have to do is use like really basic skincare. Me personally, I consider Choice Skin Perfecting BHA more of like one of those heavy duty products in my arsenal. So I kind of have this little space in my jar. It's like a little corner of my jar for all like my medicated skincare products. It's not really medicated, they're not prescribed by doctors, but in my head they are, because I've tested them and they work for me. So what I do is I keep a little corner in that drawer for all the products that have helped me when I have Mila, when I'm breaking out, when a skincare product has gave me a bad reaction. And this is one of the products that is actually in that little corner. So as soon as I know a breakout is coming, as soon as I know a skincare product is about to break me out, I rush to get this product because it gives me amazing results. It's actually one of the products I did use that helped with my hyperpigmentation. I don't know if you guys watched a lot of my previous videos where my skin was looking jacked up. It was looking dry, ashy, crusty, dehydrated. These are one of the products that has helped really make my skin really have a great glow. So I always keep it in that little jar. Now, when I first started using this product, it did give me a burning sensation, sort of a tingling sensation, but over time my skin has acclimated to it, and it reduced the appearance of my pores. It made my blackheads practically non-existent, and even like my little chin hair area, it actually thinned them out. So you know, I really love this product. I'm telling you guys, it's really a great miracle worker for me personally. That's just my personal opinion. Now, I do want to say this: if you have sensitive skin, this may be a hit or miss for you. If you do have dry skin, this may be a hit or miss for you. I know oily skin will love it. It's a great product overall. I think you will really enjoy it. It will make you purge, like I mentioned, so just be prepared for purging. If you notice that you're still purging because of this product, what I did when I first started purging was I waited a month to 2 months to use this product again, just so my skin could get acclimated to it. Or my suggestion would be, if you don't want to wait that long, you could use it once a week or twice a week, just to get your skin acclimated to it. If you do purge with this product, or you feel like you're breaking out with this product, I will slowly ease my skin into it. Like once a month, you get a cotton pad and sweep it over your face with this product, just so your skin could slowly acclimate to it. That's what personally helped me when I thought my skin was breaking out from this product, but it was actually purging. Now, purging is different for everyone. It really depends on your skin, but if you feel like you're having a breakout or a purge with this product, just slowly acclimate your skin to this product. And because like I mentioned, this is a heavy duty product, so your skin may not be used to something so strong as this product. Like, this product is no joke. Like I said, it's almost like a miracle worker, so it's really no joke. So you want to slowly acclimate your skin to it. You may think, oh, once a month is too long to be waiting. Twice a month, that's just too long. I want to use it right now. Slowly integrate it into your skincare. And always remember, when you're using heavy duty products like this, you have to think about your other skincare as well. Like, what are you using that could counteract this product? It's a lot that goes on when mixing skincare products and combinations. Some skincare just don't work well with other skincare. So you also have to think about that as well. If you have a basic skincare routine, like you're a 3-step girl and you want to add this, I don't think you will have issues to worry about unless you've never tried this product. Like, if you're a complete virgin to this product, then you are definitely going to get some reactions or purge. So like I mentioned, you definitely want to ease your way into this. But if you're someone who's just looking to spice up your skincare, you've tried a lot of skincare, you're bored, and you want something to wow you, I think you'll enjoy this. But you also have to look at your other skincare you are using, because this product is heavy duty. It's no joke. And from my personal experience, this product works well with basic skincare, and that's just my personal experience. So if you are new to this product, I would suggest maybe get all the basic skincare you can find and use it with this product. Some thoughts off the top of my head, I would say really basic unscented skincare, like the most boring skincare you would barely touch in your little drawer, cabinet, shelfie, whichever one, the most basic one, will work wonders with the product. Those are my thoughts on this product. I personally enjoy it. It's definitely a heavy duty product for me. Let me know all your thoughts about Paula Choice's Skin Perfecting 2% BHA liquid exfoliant. Let me know your thoughts on this product. Have you tried it? Did it make you purge? Did it break you out? Did you acclimate your skin to it? What did you do to make your skin want to like this product? Let me know all your thoughts in the comments down below. I want to thank you guys so much for watching this video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Make sure you thumbs up this video, and make sure you're following me on all my social media sites. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in our next video. Bye, you guys. Mwah.